Looks like they had to go and make the Gerber Edge a little more good looking. This really fancy version of the Gerber Edge has a Tachide handle on it, and it's blue, and the model number is 31-000669. As you can see, I opened it with the ambidextrous thumb studs. I used a liner lock to keep the knife held open, and the knife actually uses both contractor blade and standard blade. The ambidextrous thumb studs actually double as a spring lock to hold the blade in place. Get it sunk in there. There we go. Got a lanyard hole, a pocket clip for some easy carrying. It's a perfect knife for those of you who do not like to sharpen a knife. Switch out your blades and you've always got a sharp knife. This is the Gerber Edge with a blue Tachide handle. Model number 31-000669.